Hey everyone, welcome back to our garden adventure. Today, we're going full throttle into the dazzling universe of zinnias. If you're as crazy about these lively beauties as I am, get ready for a mind-blowing journey. I've got 7 epic tips up my sleeve that will catapult your zinnias to superstar status. So, buckle up because we're diving straight in. 1. Choose the right location. The first step to growing spectacular zinnias is selecting the perfect spot. These beauties thrive in full sunlight, so find a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Avoid areas with too much shade, as zinnias love soaking up those rays to produce those big, bold blooms we all love. 2. Prepare well-draining soil. Next up, let's talk soil. Zinnias prefer well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. You can achieve this by mixing in some compost or well-aged manure into your garden beds. If you're growing them in containers, opt for a high-quality potting mix designed for flowers. Good soil sets the foundation for healthy zinnias. 3. Water wisely. Now, let's discuss watering. Zinnias like to stay evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Water them deeply, making sure the soil is moist down to the root level. A good rule of thumb is to water them when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal issues, especially during humid weather. 4. Feed regularly. Just like us, zinnias need their nutrients. Feed your zinnias regularly with a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for the right application rate. You can also use organic fertilizers like fish emulsion or compost tea for a natural boost. 5. Deadhead for more blooms. Deadheading is a secret weapon for prolonging zinnia blooms. Simply pinch off faded flowers to encourage new blooms to emerge. This not only keeps your plants looking tidy, but also stimulates continuous flowering throughout the season. It's like giving your zinnias a motivational pep talk. 6. Watch out for pests. Pesky insects can sometimes try to munch on our beloved zinnias. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, spider mites, and caterpillars. You can use organic pest control methods such as neem oil spray or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs to keep these pests in check without harming your plants. 7. Support tall varieties. Lastly, if you're growing tall, zinnia varieties like Benari's Giant, provide them with proper support. Use stakes or a trellis to prevent them from flopping over, especially when they're laden with blooms. This not only keeps your garden looking tidy, but also protects the stems from breaking in strong winds. And there you have it, folks. 7 tips to ensure your zinnias steal the spotlight in your garden. Remember, a little love and care go a long way in growing these stunning flowers. Share your zinnia success stories in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and until next time, keep blooming